Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, security system, fog lights, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, engine immobilizer, speed control. Come see the car for yourself.